Here's another simple drawing activity using your name or another word and symmetry. For this activity, you're going to need a sheet of copy paper, a pair of scissors, a black crayon, other crayons for coloring, and then something to rub the lettering with so that the wax transfers to the other side. You can use a popsicle stick, a spoon, or a ruler. Now the first symmetry name drawing that we did involved just a horizontal line of symmetry. I wrote my name in block letters, folded the paper over, rubbed so that all the black transferred to the other side, retraced the reflection of that, and then went in and colored the negative space. Some of you made monsters and other creatures by holding your paper vertically. It was fun to see your pictures. Thanks for sending those in. Now this only had this horizontal line of symmetry here. Today we're going to make one that has a horizontal and a vertical line of symmetry. In order to get a square piece of paper, I'm going to take my 8.5 by 11. I'm going to bring the corner up until the corner meets here. Fold across that line and then carefully trim this excess here. Younger, smaller hands, have somebody help you cut that piece off. And with that little extra paper there, why not make a bookmark? All right, now I have a square piece of paper. Notice I already have a diagonal line folded there. I'm going to turn my paper, bring corner to corner again, and fold. Now when I open that up, I have folded my paper into fourths. Now with this activity, I'm going to write my name in the top fourth there. So with my crayon and pressing down, now you can do block letters, you can do cursive, or you can print. You're going to just get a different variety of shapes depending on how you write. I'm going to just print, bringing my crayon from the top of the page just down to that diagonal line. Now your letters are going to look kind of funny. As you bring them all the way down to that diagonal. Giant S here, and I'm going to stop at the fold line there, stop at the fold line there. All right, now I'm going to fold my paper over and using whatever edge helps you. I'm going to use the ruler today. I'm going to rub everywhere I see crayon marks. And again, younger hands, have somebody do the crayon for you, and then you can have fun coloring it in. Now the wax from the crayon will transfer to the other side. So there I have my vertical line of mirror symmetry. Now in order to create my horizontal line of symmetry, I need to retrace what I see here, and already you can see some cool shapes taking place. And the block letters would definitely create more shapes. It's funny to see what your name looks like in mirror image. All right, now you see my name written there. I've retraced here. Now I'm going to fold my paper over for that horizontal line of symmetry. And this this time we're going to scratch and rub all over. Now you may have to retrace that first quarter that you did since it already transferred over. Alright, now let's open along that horizontal line, and you can see that wax has transferred to that side of my paper. So I'm going to turn it around to make it a little easier to retrace. And go ahead and let those letters connect, creating lots of cool new shapes. The S's are fun. Now you could fold your paper another time and do this so that then you would also have a horizontal line of symmetry. And like I said, write your name in cursive, write your name in block letters. Maybe you write Happy Easter. See what you can come up with. All right, now I have traced over all of those lines, and as you can see, it no longer looks like my name. You can hold it like that. You can hold it on an angle like that. Hold it like that. And now the fun part comes with coloring it in. You could color it in with colored pencil, you could use some watercolor paint, or you can just use crayon. Now to keep it symmetrical, whatever I color here also has to be colored the same here. And whatever I color here horizontally, the same would be colored here, and across that vertical line of symmetry it would be colored here. Alright, let me show you the one that I did earlier. Here's my name. Here is the vertical reflection, line of symmetry. Here is the horizontal line of symmetry. And then after coloring it in, there's my design. How neat if you had brothers and sisters for all of you to do your names and maybe put them together and make a quilt. Who knew symmetry could be so creative? Hope you enjoyed.